Hey everyone, how is it going? Do you want your Windows 11 PC to shut down automatically after a certain amount of time? Maybe you are downloading a large file, watching a movie, or leaving your computer running overnight. Don't worry, Windows already has a built-in way to do this. Let's get started. First, press Windows plus R and then type shutdown space dash S space dash T space 3600 and then press enter. The PC is now scheduled to shut down automatically in 3600 seconds, which is 1 hour. Want a different time? Just change the number. If you want to cancel the shutdown schedule, then you have to type your Windows plus R and type your shutdown space dash A and click enter and click OK. This command cancels the schedule shutdown immediately. So yeah, this is how we can simply do that. Thanks for watching until the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and let me know in the comments how often you leave your PC running overnight.